Hi, I'm Chris, and welcome to another Swift Sensors tutorial video. Using the Swift Sensors notification system in your account allows you to receive alerts through email, text, or phone call. To enable your users to receive text notifications, a phone number is required. To do this, ask your user to log into their account. Navigate to the user icon toward the top right and select Settings. Navigate to the phone number section and enter your phone number. Once entered, click the blue check mark. Once the blue check mark has been selected, you will receive a text message alert containing a 6-digit code. This code is used to validate your phone number and confirm your device is eligible to receive text messages from our system. Enter the code and click the blue check mark. As an additional feature, you may enable two-factor authentication once a phone number has been added as another layer of security for your account. Administrators cannot edit other users' phone numbers for security reasons and to maintain compliance with our Swift Sensors messaging service policy. For more information, visit us at swiftsensors.com/support or email us at support@swiftsensors.com.